uyifundayo funa ngabe sekubonakele so la kubonakala una 50 something must happen. Something must happen. Somebody shout enough is enough. Something must happen. A book must come from you. A song must come from you. A poem must come from you. Purpose must be birthed by you. Something must happen. Konomela ukuvele ba. Ungavumi ukuhamba ungakenzi next emhlabeni. Ungavumi ukuhamba ungakashiyi record emhlabeni. Ungavumi ukuhamba ungakayifinish igap emhlabeni. Feel something, do something, move something, shift something, start something, lead something, do something. Konomela kwenze. Konomela kwenze. Ngiseleloko vele ngiseleloko kokukila lensila yokuhlala urelaxe mele usukume wenze something mele usukume lo mfundisi namhlanje angilimaza vele ufuna ulimale izwi la ihlaba inhliziyo yakho angikhombisa ukwaduka kwami safu ukukhomba abathakathe nalo mthakathe omkhulu uwe. Stop yourself. It's not normal. Lento iphethe is not normal. But in the not normal. Ngabe usathana kwelo kakufana abelo kathi lala. Ubulalela ngalonke. Beke. Ufuna kusenza ushonlanga. Ulele. Ulele serious haje banga. Ulele. Makhaza manje usowezwa wena. Thina singawezwa. Makhaza manje wena wasungena makhaza ufuna neklinika abanye bene. Makazamani sokwezo wena sikakwenza ungasafu hambani nohlola ngamza kwethu banikeza amaphilisi nibe right ngeke kulunge ngenza you can't tell me all day all week ulela uvuka mawesonto liphela awona bantu bayavuka baba bantu bayaphuma baba bantu bayakokota baba yini bese nikalekisa abantu abeni bongakhela umuzi mina angawubusise kudlala ngengane yakho bongawakhi ingane wena ungawakingani wakho umuzi wena hayi ukuze ubusiseke kala wakhele mina umuzi oyibobohle wena engulubi kunolela wena wawenzani ngesikhathi sakho wawulala awukohle wena phela yibo labazana bese bayakhohlakala bese baqalekisa abantwana bese balwa nabomakoti hayi uyodla imali yomntwana yebo vele kumele ayidle nawe wayidla imali kababa. Abasakhona ukuthenga njone raki abasakhona ukuthenga amaharideni abasakhona ukufaka amazipho umntana abantu uthi angene nje so afaka amazipho so ubhizi ngeyinwela ubhizi ngamashiya yeah you had your time awunase sakho isikhathi wehluleka walala nizokuvusa namhlanje wake up akaze kwawo ngani yami Nkosi yami esasalelwe enkanini akuvuka wena lokina lawyer lokina mthakatha bantu wawufunda nabo they are somewhere nawe uvuka ube somewhere ulele nje manje unengane zakhe mina ngisikhulisela abantu amulele afazi bavukile iMother's Day levuka. Let me say something that is controversial. Listen to please ngoba lenza ukukhuluma manje kuzokuhlalisa kabi kodwa kungama kusingawo. Can I say it? No man, I will not get married to a girl. I will not get married to a girl. I'll get married to a wife. No matter what, no more. There are 3 stages of a woman. Laba azizwa intombi khona. Ngobusana nomlomo uhlezi ubovu, uhlezi unjanjani umani, that's a girl. Number 2, a lady. Umuntu obhizi ngama-lashes wakhe, buhle bakhe, amabhegi akhe, that's a lady. Umuntu ofuna ukuvela nama-stiletto zakhe, ininanya, unaka i-outside appearance nenhliziyo embi. But in Namanga, go to a ladies meeting. Ladies hate each other. Sita somnye umfazi, omunye umfazi. But bahleli babashana ngama-hips, babashana ngabo-current. Those are ladies. Those are ladies. They fight over chairs. They fight over physical position. Those are ladies. Ngine lami lidulile kunelakho. I-frontal yami idulile kuneyakho. Ishiya lami liqondile kunelakho. I-lip gloss yami idulile kuneyakho. I-makeup yami yaka-Bobby Brown. Nonsense. That's a lady. I will not get married to a lady. Because a lady is good for pictures. A lady is like a zebra. You can admire a zebra, but you can't take home. Then a wife is like a horse. Yes. Oh. So there are a lot of zebras here. Game reserve. A lot of what a competition ending. Inking I have zebra E1. What is zebra power yayo a crowd? But this zebra kutua lokuti bena malayin yenzela ukudistract predator. Because maseka mile ma zebra ahlangene so I predator isabona ukuthi ngiliphi emele ilibambe kuqala. Because bese biyafana, they are mesmerized. That is why my groups, mantombazana bo John Fulligate, ahamba as a group. They hamba as a mass zebras, they are not horses. We need wives. So we'll not get married to a girl. A girl lives for pictures. How many toys they have. That's a girl. But a wife has a womb. Wife has wisdom. Wife has worship. Wife has wonders. Wife works. That's a wife. A wife ignites you. A wife leads you. A wife leads a man. A wife supports a man. A lady will take everything. If you don't understand these two names and you think they are the same, I will correct you right now because I will introduce a woman. These two names will not make sense until there is a woman. Can I say them? Complete and finish. If you marry the right woman, you're complete. If you marry the wrong one, you're finished. It's not my word. Somebody shared it, so I'm sharing it with you right now. If you're busy with a lady, everything has a fee. But if you're busy with the wife, everything is for free. Ladies, no fees. Wives know how to make things which is free. First, you guys when they're good, never sling a panga every day. Never see a quarter every day. Never stand every day. Because one better never be nation. But I better never be a tire. That's a lady. But a wife will make sure with him to pick on a tire. In Malishali on a bank. So that if we have money. But a lady who got our son, I eat a restaurant lady and I ask. No, here they sell bed fish. Here they sell bed what. Their salad is stupid. What's young now? There's a lady no mind mix up. I've been here, man. I think it was 2018 we were here before COVID. Oh. So look sapping over young down so go on. What to tell something? Samson won't tell her. Fees every day. Freeze every day is a charge. Kulmana is a charge. Shalana is a charge. My experience got some image. No two box about. No two box. No munda shala kali ngoma. Then keep him money. It's all about money, not building, not maintaining. A good wife will build. So I'll not get married to a girl. I'll get married to a wife. He who finds a girl, a lady, he who finds a wife finds what? Finds a good thing. That's the problem with you. So you're waiting for the man to make you a wife. You can't change a person. Ask a pukanganza wetu. Maybe umchito mdogo. Yabona ungazuthole intombazane iphuza ngabe uyenza ikholo. Phuza na ngeke. Thathakile ngeke. Thola intombazane iphuza noma ungayizama ukuthi hey woze esontweni likhululeka angeke. Ila esontweni nebaba lazi. You will never change. Singabhukana abaphuza abahambe bodwa abasonta abahambe bodwa kumtshintshise obhizi ngamadlozi uyokhonza nesiphandla kumiyeke isidlozi lakubo uyokhonza nesiphandla uyobekezela nje ukuthi umlobole after that athi umsebenzi agabe isiphandla ezana sesontweni ayingabhukani funa khona abantu abasontayo thola abantu bakhe abanjani igebenga zihambe zodwa basenze ikhona zokuthabula ngempama thina vele ukhombise nje ukuthi usigebengu sikulungisele igebengu zakho uhambisane nabo niyokhuthuzana nodwa but abagegezi benhliziyo yabantu abahambe nabagegezi enhliziyo yabantu until ma-amrobha enhliziyo. The wife. I hope we are raising wives here. Today, we're raising wives here. To every man here, remember, a wife is found. A wife is not created. A wife is found. You can't make someone a wife angafuni ukuba uwife. Yeah, kumenze i-true fist angeke uyenze iwife. Noma uyithanda kangakanani, thatha uthando lwakho ulibeke somewhere else. I-true fist angeke umfazi onjani uvuka ngo-12. Athi akasakhona ukulala. Funda iBhayibheli phela uthandaze. No, ngizwa nje kukhala ipiano. Angeke. Yeah! The angels are not triggered by earthly desires. They are triggered by divine deposits. Divine. Izulu lingaze libeke into enkulu la phakathi kwakho lesondela. Abantu uvikele kangaka awukavikele ngomadlozi akunanisiza. Ilento la ngaphakathi kwakho. Izulu lingabeka into enevalue la ngaphakathi kwakho liyakulandelela. Liyakuvikela. So awuvikele ukuthi umuhle. No, heaven has something in you. Abanye benganafa ne-COVID. Abanye bengigula kwamanje. But anifanga. Lento ekusindisile ilento la ngaphakathi. Ilesindo salento elanga. I think I should close with this because I'm feeling late. There are three kinds of pregnancies. There are three kinds of pregnancies. Okay, there are three kinds of Okay, now let's continue. There are three kinds of pregnancies. Number one, unplanned pregnancies. Number pregnancies has always a man in May, July, and June. September, we're going to bowling. You must start the Pelamanch. September, August, the small God. Love September. Now was this number cravings. Now was this funeral to Luma I Apollo. Matunga Kabulis Valo, never sufficient sisters assassinate. Matunga Kabulis Valo, we should not have big fish, no banana, we have a sufficient la possess number cravings. Unplanned pregnancies. And one of the things that have destroyed many dreams and destinies are unplanned pregnancies. The pregnancy mfana uhleli ngale nawe wenze so. Whoa! Hayafiki. Oh, kuningi Jehova. Ngithi ngibambile tento modimo. One day, not four, one day. You know what? The same day, ila ubona khona umehluko phakathi kothando nelast. Ngale ngathi ukuthi yes man, I think I'm late. Yes man, I'm so sure. You're one citizen of your heart. We are humble now. Citizen of your heart. Go by citizen of your liver. Ngapha enhlizweni ngapha ku-liver esibindini ngapha la kusefwa khona izinto uyala akangenela ndawe ila uzoyibona khona indoda ukuthi kuthanda ngoba awukakhulelwa mayikuthanda ngokwempela ithi how we are pregnant mayingakuthanda ithi how you are pregnant kanjani mayikuthanda ngempela if you don't know the difference of we and you be pregnant uzobona uzobe unemehluko omkhulu. Nakathi umuntu I love you na I love us uzobona umehluko kwamanje ngawubona ngoba usemathandweni. Makathi umuntu I love you usoyakhuluma nawe as an individual. Makathi I love us so ukuthi I'm willing to build this with you. Makathi I love you yes uthanda wena hayi wena nengane yakho wena hayi wena nengane usazoyikhulelwa wena bawuletha ingane ukuthi not us. So I love you. We are still young. Do you love us? Because us says we are now a union. We can never be separated. That's us. That's the problem. I love you. Has the person with you said I love us? Because us means I trust you. I'm willing to stay with you. I'm willing to work with you. Whatever that will come, for better, for worse, that's us. But you says I love the person you are now, that I'm seeing now. That is why I love you has to be said more than once. Because I have to love every version you show every day. Even if it's a version that you don't approve, if it's the version that hurts you, do you love that version of me? Then I love us. Say, what we are building, even if I am right, we choose what is right, not who is right. That's us. I am willing to let go of certain things for us to stay intact, so that we're able to build. You says, I love the blessing you have. I love the fact that you are employed. You are educated. You are in the light. You are making me better. That's the love that ends up draining. But I love us says, even when you lose your job, I still love you. Because this is us now. I don't see myself living without you. Go ask the person Otandana now. Because I know you love me, but you love us, our union. We are standing in tennis. We because the person doesn't have a picture of you living with them. They have a picture of you coming and going, not you living with them, staying with them for the rest of their lives. Can the person you're with stay with you for the rest of your life? Because some are with you because of what they get from you. Omunye manje khande uthi yes mfundisi we are realizing it. So kungcono ukurealize kuqala before find out. I'm telling you, now realize ile mncane uyakhona kuyilungisa kuqala bese uya find out time. Kuno to find out bese uya realize so one kuba waste to find out. Because uzwazi uthi umtsheleleni nalo, but what realize first. I'm not in love here. Love doesn't have goosebumps. Love doesn't have butterfly. Yabona into izwayela indlala. Yabona into izwaya mambona noma kusondelela ne indlala leyo. Ifiye lento leyo. Umuntu ufuna umthando ungezwa next, even in your spirit. Love is a decision, not a feeling. Love is a decision. You decide to love a person because now kunokwenzeka bangabi nemali banuka umlomo. And inuka nomthu nihlala endlini inuka nomthu. Yes, that's love. You go through that together. Love says you will stay in the house and I will be working as a woman and I will support you because you have supported me while I was staying in the house. That's love. But then there came up goosebumps. I love the way you make me feel. And my feelings are harm, but they are fleeting shadows. My feelings are pale. I went to so but love goes through the pathways of disagreements. But then we reach a level of agreeing to disagree. We agree to disagree. But lobo thandana kwenza manje ngokwezimbali nani kululeka imbali yabuna vele njalo lothando lwenu. Uthando lu deeper than flowers. It's deeper than flowers. Uthando lu fragile. Uthando lu fragile. Uthando lidinga decision yakho uyiwana. So unplanned pregnancies, they happen out of the love that they call in the world, not the love of God. The love of God says sacrifice. The love of God is a sacrificial love, agape kind of love. Love without conditions. Love engenama condition. Because ungamthanda umuntu anekari kanti ikari yakhe ilethwe inyoka. Ungamthanda umuntu anemali kanti imali yakhe ilethwe usigujana. Kunabantu abaseyigubhini zakhe imali iza ngabo usigujana. Once you find it out and you continue to love them, it was love. Polishela ngepose nisona ufuna yaphi. Ungathothanda nomuntu olele nenyoka nawe ulala nenyoka bese uyaboba ngithi ufuna ngithi. Kuba unenyoka zakho lapho. So uyaphi so ulele notokolo sikini. Sengiwenzani mina phela sengikhompethe noTukolosho manje. Wena ukwathandana nento engakulahle, engakhohle uTukolosho ufika njalo ebusuku. Indoda akenzeka ingabuyi. Tukolosho stays with you forever. A man will be angry with you and leave, while they are going to come back, because men have a zone called the zone of nothingness. They want to be alone and do nothing. Hlala nje indoda ngaphandle ibuke endaweni eyi-1. Ungabasho nje ecabanga ayicabanga ithulile nje. It's a zone of nothingness. That's what men need. When ungambona ngaphandle abhizi ngefoni, le foni akabona ukuthi kwenzakalani. Nakabhizi ngencwadi, nale ncwadi akayibona, nale phepha lifundayo akazi ufundana. Umile, mawungema isikhathi uhlala lapha ewindeni umbuka, akalivule lenye page. Uhleli kweli-1. Ncwadi bani le engapheli uvule kwenye page. It's because akekho la. I-distraction le ufuna kuba izone ku-zone of nothingness. Akacabanga, akahlabeli, akakhuluma, uthulile nje. Mawufika wena uzathi hayi ngiyacabanga phela indoda kumele icabanga, akukho ukucabanga. Ngiyangizwa mos. So one of the things you must understand, you must be able to love that person through that path, because unplanned pregnancies have made many to thwart their visions. Because so ukhulelwe ungafuni ukukhulelwa. Manje ukhulelwe nomuntu lembona umthandi. But we hit of the moment. Bomuzwa nje kwesikhashana usuggestwe abangani bakho. Uze uthi abantu bamthanda. Uye ebekadane imali kuleyo group yawo bantu laba. But mabathi uyambuka lo muntu lona, uhleza khamsini. Manje because so ukhulelwe, sekunento ngibuka ngayo. Lo muntu akaphefumuli ngamakhala lona, uphefumula ngomlomo. I can't live with this person. But so it's an unplanned pregnancy. Manje kumele ubone umuntu aphefumula ngomlomo. Uzumbuza awukhona kufana uphefumule like vala bese awuneli ma. It was unplanned. Unplanned. So ukhule lo so ne DNA yakhe umthwele so unaye kula. And then you discover ukuthi imali anayo yakha. Ukuze abe nayo. Ufuna uhlele naye manje uhlala nesigebengu manje. And ngeke usashiya ngoba seyisigebengu so yazi ukuthi sekha. Khona isigebengu sikakuyekela uhamba. Ngeke tshela kahle ukuthi ngahlukana nawe ngiyakubulala. Nawe sowuhleli lapha uyazi ukuthi kunesibhamu enesinye sinenhlavu izolo sihambe sina 11 sabuya sina 2. Bathi khona la besisebenza khona. Mangake mina ngihambe la shothi lo 2 osele. Unplanned pregnancy, destroyer of destinies, destroyer of destiny. Baningi bala ngaphakathi sondweni. The person okhuleliswa ongafuni ongakaplan, yeah, ongakaplan yinto ongayifisi now, because akakho umuntu wavula wavuka nje amncane njengawo mawuthwele firstborn yakho owakafuna umntana lapho. Noma sekazelo nje uyambiza ngosibusiso kwathi akususibusiso. Ongayifuni lengane le seyivelile sosothini waphela ngesimkhiphi wabathi uphuza ibenzini ugijima phezulu kwebenzini wathula nje discipline la ndikhokho nangi Coca-Cola la mapanato nangi panato wahlanganisa ama concoction bakutshela mawuphuza lokho siyaphuma sila man. Ngaka abanye banebala elisabeka abantwana ibala liyiproof. Angisho ukuthi yani ngithethe ngiproof. Ibala liproof ukuthi wawuphuza itiye ne mama yakho akaphuza itiye. Mama yakho akaphuza itiye. Angihlala ngana gogogo nina vela nikwazi. Anikwazi. Ibala liproof. Wena nje unelikhulu elingaka ngapha. Awulazi letiya ukuthi bakuyini letiya bantu abadala. Bathi ibala ukuthi kwakaphuza itiye. Awulazi itiye wena. Anyways, unplanned pregnancies. Unplanned pregnancies. They destroyed a lot of vision, talented people because of unplanned pregnancies. Ingane ikhona manje seyisemhlabeni but ayenziwa next. Ingane yazi ukuthi kumele yenzeke. Lento ngishilo okuqala ukuthi ungazothi umntwana so uzilethile emhlabeni. Ayikho ingane yaqala ukuza. Ngeke wona bese uyayiyeka because ayisicelelanga ukuza. Umntana i-result yenkanuko yakho. Mfundisi ukhuluma amaqiniso ke. Umntwana yi-result yenkanuko yabani. So umntwana ufuna nabo nguwe. Oyumnikeze government wena. Oyumnikeze amasonto. Oyumnikele kubothishela. Oyumnikele kubonesi. Kanti i-result yenkanuko kube awuyanga ngaba kekho. Awaphela. Amen. Kube awuyanga our favorite pirates. Ngabe ayikho ingane manje. The problem is unplanned pregnancies have brought into the society the genocide that is emotional of the generation we have. The generation we have has what we call emotional genocide. It has caused emotional genocide. Abanama emotions. Bandesinabo manje. Abasenama emotion. They are immoral to a level ongayazi and abasa feeling next. Why? Because uzelomde umama kanga mfuni. Weze mhlawumbe nekumtreata kwakhe nokumkhulumisa kwakhe umtreata njengomuntu ebekenza njani ebekade engenze njani angamfuni anangazi ukuthi umntwana njani umntana ongamfuni izindlela zokuvikela zendlula nazandla zamna suka ngapha zize ngapha indlela zokuvikela ukuthi ungabi nengane zithi phinde zize ngapha uzodokta bazokutshela suka ngapha zize ngapha unokujova la unendedela la ziningi izinto zokuvikela ukuthi angafiki ziningi angitona ngithanda ikansi nawe uko busy manje noma uyakwata noma uyalwa. The reason I say this, nabantwana beza kithi bathandazelwa yithi nibathatha nibaphonse esontweni bavuka amadlozi abangenawo bantwana because nina niba neglected. Umntwana ngazatha nedlozi uyazi ukuthi nonke nizomthanda ekhaya because nizomathenda makavuka ebusuku athi ngifuna ukudla nizothi idlozi lifuna ukudla kanti uyulambile. So if you want to destroy your destiny, have an unplanned pregnancy. If you want to destroy the kid's destiny, your destiny, and your partner's destiny, not me, partner's destiny, I'm telling you. And then so abanye sikes babuke kule economy le sizibuza ukuthi vele serious at the twins. Mama misisu but congratulations. Mina nguthi nokukuthintoza ungithela lo moya wakho. Hayi manje, not now. Unplanned pregnancies. Abanye you are trying these things at school. You don't know what you are doing. Umama ungenze kabuyi. Nenza lento eniyenzayo. Umfana uzoqhubeka nesikole. Angiphuza amanzi. Mawungazi ne umfana uyaqhubeka intombazana ihlala ekhaya. Abanye abazali baqosha bathi ngeke ngikhulise umama. Wena ufana yabahleka abahlala ephokweni. Ufana yabahleka kwamanje. Abahlala lepo waya basemphukini wabo eduzane nemayini ngalo ufana yabahleka. Uyoba lapho nawe uthi asesikhala ekhaya la mntanami. So mmema ngapha esayidini ngapha so wena uzokuthatha unplanned. What imali yaphela ke ngaba nengane. Ayihlala imali endlini bangomntwana. If you understand the ngisho ngutshela ukuthi that is why you will be attacking every person. Ingane iqeda kwasana. Ingane ayimandi kuvuka igula. Igula ukuthi ungathi ayisena mathambo. Mawuyibamba iveli yekele uthi hayibo kahle wena. Uyiveli yeke seyifuna ukuthi iye clinic same time. Mawufika clinic but no lona sekufuna aye esibhedlela. Oh kanti kuyadlala kulala esibhedlela. Akudlalwa kulala esibhedlela. These are things you must understand. Unplanned pregnancies. Then number 2, they are planned pregnancies. Thina ke sifilisha. Mina ayikuthi anginangane ngoba ngilakhi. Isinqumo. Ngikhethile ukungabi nengane. Isinqumo. Are you lucky? I'm not lucky. Ngisitshela mina ukuthi I don't want to have a kid now. Hayunako konke must kusho wena according to you. Nginako konke but ngisenganako lokho engifunayo. Unplanned and planned. Planned are powerful. Plan these things. Uyazi umntwana oplanned muhle njani. Ngenza ukuthi thulani umtshela umntwana oplanned makangavela la oblend umntwana la mnyango la nomama lapha emnyango ngathi awumusane ngoba ublend umntwana lo maka indlela agqoke ngayo iyasho ukuthi ublend lo sikhula naye wakho bahle izinde zivala izandla sivala neenyawo kathi lezinde zifaswa la amaqakeleni la faka amabhuzu ngathi supervisor akaplananga lo mntwana lo ubaba kakamnaki baba kakamondli noma vela la uyambona uyagula avela la mnyangana mami nawe ufuna ukumphika wakho. When the kid is planned nesikole ayofunda kuso hlalwa phansi uhlelwe uyofunda la makasuka la uyofunda la yangizwa muzi nakasuka la i-high school yakhe uyoyenza la bantwana ba-plant banemibhede yabo abanye bethu asiyazi nokuyazi leyo mibhede uyabona umbhede okuncane lokho ongena ingane kuze kube negama lakhe la neyipontshi zapha like lo mntwana loyo uplaniwe wena nje bakulalisa lapha esipontshini esaba phansi nengubo enganeli ispontshi nani ungakwata uzuvuma. Ngifuna ukuthi mangabe uthola umntwana ngephutha this year wazi ukuthi no omunye senyomthola umshado siyanda phela igebenga khona siyanda akafundiseke umntwana wakho plan because laba ba plan kunama extra classes nakaphuma kule class le mangabe imetha kayikhona ukhokhelwa uthisha azomfundisa ini yes then there is you mawungabezwe classini awukezwanga uzwana ngane usukudlala uzosibona ke uyoba iphara ke wena fanele ugcina iphara ke because they are not planned. Umntwana planned makiwa i-pregnancy plan makiwe down kunemali yakhe noma mangafika la mathoyisini akwendlulwa gijima ngasemathoyisini omunye umntwana i-choice analo alithole endleleni ngoba kaplenwanga noma beka esikoleni omunye wavela na walitshontsha khona omunye akalazi netown ukuthi into enjani plan ngifundisa manje you may have made mistakes but the next one please plan and on a plan unesithawula sakhe not one boma 2 katholo zesikole boma 3 makaos uniform esikole ilungile akacelwa bomakhelwane akhishwe post ukuthi please kani si uplaniwe mina mawuzongizonda ngifuna ungizondela iqiniso umama wakho ongamlalelanga lo Derezo uplaniwe lo mntana wala kune blue seal kune baby powder kune baby oil lo mntana naye ukhula usoft kunamagama wakhulumayo noma sesikoleni they are bullying me lo akakwazi nokubhulisha uthi makangithinta ngaphaya angimnikezange thuba ngimkhombile thaba ngethuba mina ndlala I'm opening your eyes to some things now. Every kid that came planned, they don't shout to be heard. Every person when you are in a meeting or in a group, allowed, they grew up in an atmosphere where they had to shout their point across for them to be heard. they were introduced into that group by mistake. So they have to fight for the point. Mina will not fight you. Mina because that's how we preach. But no, not me. I'm a calm person outside of the pulpit. Very calm. Okay, take it. Okay, you understand? When umntanakho kuwa icup, akusina ma Carol boys. Kuwa icup ngale kitchen. Bulala mina. Agithi phela ufuna mina ngifile. Bulala ngikadela.